Alright, what we got here is the Hafny bar end bike mirror. I went with the stainless steel lens versus the glass. Um, got this idea for this from Jeremiah McIntosh, his video on accessories. The piece will just slide into this bar end, which on our bikes, if you have the stock grips, you're going to have to cut this, which if you ever did that as a kid, changing out BMX bars, it's not too difficult. It'll be an easy thing to do. So I will get some tools and I'll take care of that. All right, so all I did was take a razor and cut to the bar end, and now I'm just gonna trace around it like this. So you just have the inner piece removed. The way this works is this piece slides into here like that, and it kind of matches up to the little triangle. And this end piece with the nut slides in like that, and these two little round rubber band type things, once you screw the hex bolt in, these two rubber bands expand and lock into your handlebar tightly on the inside of the handlebar, of course. This is an extra spacer in case your handlebars are a little bit larger, and then if they're smaller, use these. I don't know what the specs are on our Lectric XP handlebars. I did have to cut the rubber off the bar end. Sorry for the terrible focus. Just a little razor, zipped it around real quick, because obviously if you have the stock grips, that's what the bar end looks like. So since I only have one hand and nobody to help me here, I'm going to get this installed either with or without the spacer, whichever one looks better to me, and I'll pick it back up. Alright, I attempted to install it with the spacer, and it looks like that's not going to work. It was just one quick try. Alright, I got the bar end bike mirror installed from Hafny. It's a relatively small, 63 millimeters. I know they have an option for a 68, but I wanted to keep it as small as possible. Just didn't want anything screwing up the ability to fold the bike. And I don't think I'll be using the mirror too often, but I know when we went out on a couple of rides around town where we had some busier streets, that it would have been nice to have the mirror. So hopefully it's good enough for my wife, and at the very least she'll be able to see my son sitting in the back seat.